Blocks span the full available width of a content area. When multiple blocks are placed beside each other, they automatically resize to fit that content area. Here are a few ways to resize blocks. Spacer blocks create empty space and can be resized to make surrounding blocks larger or smaller. To add one of these, click an insert point, select Spacer Block from the menu, and then click and drag the spacer block next to the one that you want to resize. Hover between the two until your cursor becomes a column resizer. Then click and drag to adjust the spacer block size. This resizes the surrounding blocks and creates more blank space in the content area. Another way to resize is placing other blocks next to one another. When doing so, they will automatically resize relative to each other. Just like the spacer block, hover between the two until your cursor becomes a column resizer, then click and drag a block's edge. This adjusts the size of both. You can also trim a block's height with the cropping handle so the content can resize without distortion. To use the cropping handle, click the block, and then click and drag the circle that appears at the bottom. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.